Hi everybody, this is Varun HP here. This is a quick video of how to assemble the Beetle Diffuser when you receive it. So as you know, it comes in this black bag. So let's see what you get inside. So you get this main part, which is now updated with this switch, USB switch, which will control the power bank to LED connection. Along with that you get 2, 3, 4, 5 parts. So this one diffuser consists of this 5 parts, and you get these Beetle Diffuser power banks, 2 of it, and one charging cable, which is a micro USB type, so you can connect your phone charger and you can charge the power bank. All these parts of the Beetle Diffuser attach and detach via plastic snap-on buttons. So the first part you need to attach is this main body, this is what I call the main body. So all you have to do is just align it and just keep pressing on it, and you can hear the click sound, which means it's locked in place. Right, then you need this part, and you have to hold it like this, and there are 4 buttons on each side. So keep pressing it, so once it locks in place. Do it on the other side. Right, so then take this front diffusing part, attach it in the bottom here. So when you're taking it inside, just bend this thing in and attach it. There's one button on top, attach it there first, and on the sides inside. Yeah, and you're done. So this is the bottom reflector. So this attaches like this. So you can use it. So when you don't want to use the reflector, you can just mount it back. Alright, so this is a standard sized speed light, so you can just put this thing inside, use this back lock strap, and this thing secures in place through Velcro. So that's it. So you can just mount it on your the camera, and you can just start using it. Let's attach the power bank, which again alright. So right now I'm using the Gorox LED to light the scene of this video. I'll turn it off for this part. So I'm going to switch on the so this is the light, so it's controlled with this back switch now, and this is more than enough to focus something at even up to a meter. Alright, so this is the Beetle Diffuser for you. So for any queries, message me or call me. You can also WhatsApp me on the number mentioned in this post. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.